Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our channel Rajesh Biology, and I'm Rajesh MSc Zoology. So today our topic is evolution. So let me check is our session is started or not, and is my voice is clear or not first. Yes, the session is just started. Yeah, Gnaneshwar and Rup Mahesh. Good evening. Thank you for liking the session. Thank you so much for your likes. For liking the session. Yes, and the voice is also clear. So without any late, let's dive into the session. Here it is the app Rajesh Biology, which is available in Google Play Store. You can download, and in this you can observe the ad-free content, that free test, the free courses, free study materials are available, and for few tests or paid tests are there, and few courses are paid courses are also there. Okay, now it is the first question regarding to the subject evolution. Sai Kumar, good evening, Sai Kumar, and good evening, Rupa Mahesh and Gnaneshwari. Good evening, be careful. Yes, after a long time, be careful is also attend for this session. Thank you, welcome. Yeah, here it is the first question. Life cannot originate from inorganic materials because of. Now, nowadays, the life cannot originate from the inorganic materials because of. Yeah, good evening, Aparna. Answer the first question. Because there is a very high amount of oxygen in the atmosphere. No, it is not correct. It is the right answer. Very high amount of oxygen present in the atmosphere, and it is going to interrupt the reactions among the these inorganic material reactions. Now come to the second question. Match the column 1 with the column 2 and choose the correct option. Saltation, Darwin, genetic drift, panspermia, finches, evening primrose, founder effect, and spores. So here finches, Darwin finches, they are called. So B4, and panspermia. Panspermia means, according to this, yes, who says the right answer? Chandrika, very good. Yes, be careful. One is 3, and second one is 2. Right answer is 2, 1. Saltation. Panspermia means spores. Okay. And genetic drift, founder effect. We can explain the genetic drift with the founder effect. And mutation theory. Mutation is also called saltations. That is explained by the this Hugo de Vries. He observed so many variations in the evening primrose plant. 3, 4, 2, 1. The right answer is 1. That is first given by the Chandrika and the Ganeshwari. Be careful, Rup Mahesh. Very good. Come to the next question. Water broke up into oxygen and hydrogen in early atmosphere due to. Yes. Who gives the right answer for this third question and fourth question? Yeah, the third one is the right answer is ultraviolet radiation 3-1, correct. And it is given by the Chandrika first and Unbeatable Insane. Good evening, Unbeatable Insane. Welcome to the session. And Gnaneshwari right and Rupa Mahesh right. Come to the fourth question. The fourth question is also which organism was taken by Pasteur for his experiments? Yeast, right? So fourth one, Chandrika, very good. And Gnaneshwari, Rupa Mahesh. And Chandrika says fifth one. The conditions present in the early earth are high temperature volcanic eruptions, reducing temperature. Yes, all are present. Correct, Chandrika. 5 1. Fifth one is fourth is the right answer. And Ganeshwari Rupamahesh, very good. And in our app Rajesh Biology, topic wise weightage is there from all the subjects chemistry, physics, and biology. So you can find all these weightage. Based on that weightage, you can prepare one study plan for our preparation. Okay, now come to the sixth question. Which gas had taken up by S.L. Miller for his experimentation? In our app, these are the study plans. Actually, these all are prepared for more than 45 to 50 days. That means 2 months plans these are. You can cover 2 days in one day. Like that, you can make it as per 30 days. Still, we have 30 days for the NEET examination, right? Come to the sixth question. Yeah, sixth one is four. Very good, Chandrika and unbeatable insane Gnaneshwari and Rupa Mahesh. CH4, H2, and H3, H2O all are present. Come to the seventh question. Yeah, seventh question. The right answer is the first cells were supposed to be originate on Earth about 2 billion years ago. 2000 million years ago. Both are same only. So the answer is 4. 7 4 given by the Chandrika and Jnaneshwari. Very good. Come to the eighth question. The eighth question first given by yes Chandrika and Jnaneshwari. Very good. The first form of life arose in aquatic environment. Not only the first form of life, still all the lives are originated in aquatic form only. Still, that means in humans also. We are also born in the aquatic medium, that is amniotic fluid. Okay, every organism starting beginning stages are within the water medium, liquid medium only. But of course, we are terrestrial animals. Now come to the ninth question. Yeah, Gnaneshwari says fourth option. According to the theory of special creation, Earth was supposed to be not it is a 4 million. Okay, it is actually the 4,000 years old. Very recently, it is formed according to the religious belief. 4,000 years old only. It is not 4 million years. Okay, the religious books or the special creation theory is not going to supposed to say any right answers. Next, come to the 10th question. Uh, yeah, 10th. Louis Pasteur conducted experiments on killed yeast. Louis Pasteur disproved the theory of special creation. Both are correct. Very good. 10th one, 3. Chandrika and Gnaneshwari. Very good. Right answers. Come to the 11th question. What was the term given by Darwin for the differences in characteristics? Or the differences in the characteristics? 11th question. In our app Rajesh Biology Today magazines are available. Biology Today magazines. After completion of your NEET examination also, for your further references, you can read these magazines. Really amazing presentation of biology in this magazine with a diagrammatic presentation and more information. Very detailed explanation of the topics they provide, and this magazine is really good. And these magazines are available in our app Rajesh Biology. Come to the 11th question. Yes, what is the term given by the Darwin for the differences in characteristics? Differences are called variations. 11th one, fourth option is right answer. Natural selection is not. Come to the 12th question. Yes, fossils are dated by. Fossils are dated by. It is not about the calcium. Carbon dating method. Amount of radioactive carbon isotope in them. Okay, how much amount of carbon is present in them? Based on that, they are going to decide the age of that fossil. That is called carbon dating method. The method is called carbon dating method. Radioactive carbon isotopes. Okay, come to the 13th question. Analogs, analogous organs or analogous structures or yes, everybody knows about the analogous and homologous. You are right. Analogous organs show the similar function. Come to the 14th question. Here it is the 14th question on my head. The divergent evolution can be seen in divergent evolution. Very easy answer. Very regularly asked question it is. Divergent evolution can be seen in. Yes, Chandrika, you are right. Homologous organs. Divergent evolution we can observe in the homologous organs. Jnaneshwari, right? Chandrika, come to the 15th question. Fossilization can occur when? Fossilization. When animals are buried and preserved by natural process. Fossilization. Or animals are destroyed by the scavengers. Animals are eaten up by the predators. Animals are destroyed by the environmental condition. Preserved by the natural process, the fossilization can take place. 15th one. So who says the right answer for the 15th? No, it is not fourth option. Next, come to the 16th question. Forelimbs of man, cheetah, whale, and bat are examples of. Forelimbs of man, cheetah, whale, and bat are the examples of forelimbs of mammal simply. Yes, everybody knows this. Analogous organs. Very good, Jnaneshwari and Chandrika. You did well. Come to the 17th question. Yeah, Rope Mahesh, correct. In our app, Rajesh Biology, video lectures are also available. And all these video lectures are for free. Genetics, body fluids and circulation, online quizzes, breathing and exchange of gases, animal kingdom, digestion and absorption. These related videos are available. You can direct it to the that video classes. Okay. Now come to the 17th question. Yes. 17th question. The occurrence of endemic species in South America and Australia is due to. Australia is due to retrogressive evolution. No, it is not. Retrogressive is not there. Continental separation it is. It is due to the continental separation. 18th question. Example of divergent evolution is. Example of divergent evolution is. Yeah, thorns of bougainvillea and tendrils of cucurbita, wings of butterfly and wings of birds, sweet potato and normal potato. Why all of these? Wings of butterfly and wings of birds is analogous organ. Sweet potato and normal potato is also analogous organ. Normal potato is the stem modification, sweet potato is the root modification. Okay. Only the thorns of bougainvillea, tendrils of cucurbita, they show the divergent evolution. They are only the homologous organs. Come to the 19th question. Yes, 19th answer is 2. Jnaneshwari and Chandrika. First you said, right. Very good. The 19th answer is analogous structures are result of convergent evolution. But you have to prepare while you are preparing the evolution chapter. At that time, you should know what are the divergent organs and what are the convergent. That means what are the homologous and what are the analogous organs you have to know. For that, you have to refer your practical manual also in Karnataka state. Particularly, I am saying in Karnataka, if you observe the practical manual, in that they provide some examples for homologous, some examples for analogous. Okay, you have to practice all these. And come to the remaining states also, we have to know at least a few homologous organs from the human, that means animals, homologous organs from the plants, as like for the analogous also. Because in AP Telangana states, homologous analogous are the concepts related to the zoology. There is only examples of zoology only present, but evolution takes place in the plants also. Homologous organs also have are present in plants. So the remaining state students should focus homologous plant examples, analogous plant examples. Come to the 20th question. The right answer is not given by anyone still. Flippers of penguin and dolphins are examples of analogous organs. Okay, correct. And analogous structures are the result of divergent evolution. This is wrong. So statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is wrong. As per this, the right answer is option 1. Come to the 21st question. Yes, Chandrika, right, you are. 20th is 1. And examples of natural selection are, here you have to remember, flippers of penguin also helps in swimming and flippers of dolphin also helps in swimming. Come to the 21st question. Yes, examples of natural selection are industrial melanism, antibiotic and drug resistance, herbicides resistance, or all of these. Yes, very good, Rupa Mahesh. All are the examples of natural selection. Very good, Chandrika. Come to the 22nd question. Natural selection was given by the Darwin, Louis Pasteur, Lamarck, and Hardy. It is very easy question. You can simply answer this. Perfect. Natural selection given by the Charles Darwin. 23. Choose the incorrect statement about natural selection. Yeah, Gnaneshwari, right? About natural selection, incorrect statement. Before industrial melanization, tree trunk were darker in color. Before industrialization, tree trunk were lighter in color. Before industrialization, white color lichens were present on the tree trunk. Before industrial melanization, there were no deposition of smoke and soot on tree trunk. So according to this, which is incorrect? Yes, perfect, Chandrika. Option 1. This is a incorrect statement. Before industrialization, there is no darker in color because there is no deposition of smoke and soot. That's why there is lichens. Before industrialization, there is lichens. Okay, environmental indicators. Because of this lichens, lighter color moths are more, darker color moths are less. Come to the 24th question. 23 one correct. 24th. So here, who says the answer for the 24th question? Nobody. Smoke has dash that eradicate the lichens. The air pollution is due to not due to the nitrous oxide, it is actually the sulfur oxide. Option 1, SO2. Sulfuric. Sulfur. Smoke has this sulfur oxide that eradicate the lichens. 24 1. Yes, Jnaneshwari, right? Here is the question. Lichens are algae, fungi, or pollution indicator, or animal. Now come to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to attempt the free test in our app Rajesh Biology. In that, if you open the app, in the left upper corner, there is three bars. In that fourth option is the free test. There is three different options are there, attempted and ongoing, upcoming like. So you can select your favorite test, and if you attempt in that, there is one question and four options. Like that, for every question, four options are there, and every question carry 4 marks and one minus negative marks. Okay, and while you are submitting, before submitting, if you click on this what I symbol, that is for the review. Before submitting, it shows you how many questions you selected for review, how many questions are you left, how many questions you answered, everything, how much time is remaining, everything it shows. Still, if you submit, immediately it calculate your score, and later it gives you your rank also, how many members are written the test and what is your rank with how much accuracy, which type of questions you attempted in a better manner. And later it shows you the solutions also, the report, everything in this app. Okay, so it is really excellent, amazing experience, online test experience you can feel with a better experience. For that, you can download the app and you can attempt the test. More than 20 tests are available for free to the students in our app. Come to the 25th question. It is a pollution indicator. So the right answer is given by the Chandrika, Gnaneshwari, Rupa Mahesh, Chinnu, Chandrakant. Very good, well done. Chandrakant, after a long time, welcome. How are you? And how is your preparation for the NEET examination and the SET examination? Very good, Chandrakant. Superb. And advance congratulations. So I think all the exams are over or not yet completed. The IP examinations in AP Telangana. 26th question. The paleontological evidences are obtained from. Chandrakant, I want to see the question paper, zoology question paper, what you already attempted. Can you send that zoology question paper pic to my mobile number, WhatsApp, or this our app? All completed. Okay, very good. Come to the 26th. The paleontological evidences are obtained from homologous structure, analogous structure, fossil, and lichens. 26th. Yes, 26. Yes, thank you, Chandrakant. Paleontological. Paleontology is the study of fossils. So, option 3 is the right answer. Yes, Archana. Archana Rathod, welcome. 26-3, right? Archana and Chinnu, Robo Mahesh, very good. Come to the 27th question. Which of the following was a land dinosaur? Was a land dinosaur? Triceratops or Pteranodon, Archaeopteryx, Ichthyosaurus. Archaeopteryx, Robo Mahesh. No, no, it says about the 26, okay? Be careful, says Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx is a connecting link between the reptiles and birds. It is also, it is not a dinosaur. Archaeopteryx is not a dinosaur. Okay, it is a Triceratops. 27-1, given by the Ganeshwari, right? And come to the 28th question. 28th question. And Chandrakant, how many questions are asked in your final examination question paper from the evaluation? You take that evaluation after chosen class, right? Which is available for free in our app for all the students. And in that, I explain you the 4 more questions. How many questions are arise from that chapter in your final NEET, final IP exam? 28th. Yes, who says 28th to no, it is not to 1. Presence of gills in the tadpole of frog indicates that frogs evolved from the gill ancestors. Fishes were amphibians in the past, no, wrong. Fishes evolved from the frog like ancestors, wrong. Frogs will have the gills in future, that is also wrong. Okay, so 28th, frogs evolved from gills ancestors. Right, come to the 29th question. Total 39 questions. Okay, Gnaneshwari, you also attempted from AP only. Yes, 29th question. Archana 2. Archana, you have to mention the question number, please, because in every page at least 2 questions are there. I don't know for which question you are giving the answer. Come to the 29th question. The Darwinian variations are. The Darwinian variations are. Yes, 29th. It is small and directionless. No. Darwinian variations are always directional. Directionless is not there. Directionless is mutation theory. Mutation theory. Mutation means a sudden, random, inheritable, directionless changes are called mutations. Hugo Davis explained that. Okay, from evolution, how many questions? No, no, 13. And I'm asking about in exam how many questions they ask. Come to the 29th question. Small and directional. 29-3 correct, Chandrika. Chinnu also right. 30th question. Interspecific hybrids are usually sterile. And the reason is interspecific hybrids recessive chromosomes from two different species. hybrids receives, sorry, interspecific hybrids receives chromosomes from two different species? No. Actually, the right answer for the 30th question, who says Achan Rathod, very good. Achan Rathod 21 1, 21, 29 1, 29 3. Yes, 29 3 is right answer. You are giving like 29 1, 29 2, 29 3, 29 4. Right. Yes, 30th A is true statement, but R is false. Interspecific hybrids are usually sterile. Mm, yes, they are usually sterile, correct. And you are saying what? Both A and R are true. Okay. And R is the correct explanation of A, according to you. Interspecific hybrids receives chromosomes from the two different. Because of receiving chromosomes from the two different species, they are not sterile. Okay, so both are correct, but it is not a correct explanation of one. So 30 at 2 is the right answer. Very good, Nyanashri, but very you are very close to the right answer, but not the right. Come to the Chinnu and Rope Mahesh, it is option 2 is the right answer. Come to the 31. Adaptive radiation is exemplified by Darwin finches, Australian marsupials, placental mammals, all of these. Yes, Chandrika, you are right. All of these. All these are the examples of adaptive radiation. Divergent evolution also, all these are the best examples. Darwin finches, Australian marsupials, placental mammals, all these are the best examples. And come to the 31, fourth option is the right answer. Chandrika and Jnaneshwari, very good. 32, Chandrika, you are saying answer is 2. Let me check. Variations of beak in finches that Darwin found in Galapagos Island is due to the, yes, because of their food eating habits. Okay, instead of competition, they exclude the competition. They eliminate the competition by changing their food habits, by changing their beak size and shape. Very good. 32 to 33. And 33 also given by the Chandrika and Jnaneshwari as to theory of panspermia was proposed to explain the origin of life. Very good. That is one of the theories which explains the origin of life on the earth. You know panspermia theory. In that theory, according to that, the resistant spores are present in the universe, and accidentally they enter into the earth, and they are going to develop into the different animals. And still, this panspermia is the favorite theory for so many astronomers. Come to the 34th question. Yes, 33 to Archana. 34th question, first given by the, yeah, Jnaneshwari. Of course, Chandrika is already given the answer. Evolutionary biology is the study of history of life forms on Earth. Yes, very good. Chandrika, Jnaneshwari, Chinnu, you did well. Dr. Mahesh, okay. 35th question is given by the Jnaneshwari and the Chandrika as fourth option is right. Let me check. If gene migration happens multiple times, it would lead to the uh, gene flow. Gene migration is nothing but the gene flow. It is not a genetic drift or a mutation. Come to the 36th question. Yes, 36th question answer first given by the Chandrika and Jnaneshwari. Let me check. First life forms on earth were chemoheterotrophs. Very good. Chemoheterotrophs they are. Excellent. Come to the 37th question. Among following, the most recent is, yes, Ramesh is correct. 36 to 37th question. The most recent Homo sapiens Australopithecus Homo habilis Dryopithecus. Very easy it is, I think. Chandrika, you are saying Homo habilis, the most recent. Yeah, Gnaneshwari, very good. We are Homo sapiens. We are the most recent. Homo sapiens sapiens. 38th question. Australopithecines probably lived in. Yes, Rupa Mahesh, correct? Australopithecines are probably lived in where they lived. Are they our rentals? 38 1. East African grasslands, correct. East African grasslands. Come to the 39th question. Yes, right. Chinnu. And 39th question. Jnaneshwari right and Chandrika right. 39th, Chandrika says 2. Let me check the right answer whether it is correct or not. The Neanderthal man had a cranial capacity of around. Who says 39th question? Chandrika was saying that 39th, 650 to 800 cc. It is the cranial capacity of the Homo habilis. Okay, 1400 cc. Neanderthal man has what? 1400 cc. When compared with our brain capacity also, Neanderthal man brain capacity is more. 40. Question number 40. Assertion. In 1938, a coelacanth was found in South Africa. Plecosaurus and Theropsids were synapsids. Yes, you are going for the 40 question number 41. It is just leave this. In 1938, coelacanth was found in South Africa. Correct, it is. Coelacanth fish is observed. Okay, and Plecosaurus and Theropsids were synapsida. It is also correct, but it is not at all a connection between these two events. So it is not a correct explanation. The 40th is the right answer too. Come to the 41. Yes, the homologous organs, those that show similarity in origin. Excellent. 41 3, Chandrika, right? You do the right answer for the first. And come to the question number 42. Chinnu, right? 42. Now the question number 42. Yes. All Australian marsupials evolved in the. Aha. Super. Everybody says Galapagos Island because that is only the famous with the natural selection theory, Darwin. There is no connection between the Galapagos Island and the Australian marsupials. They are developed in Australian continent only. That's why they are very uh, they are endemic species to the Australian continent. 43. Fitness, according to the Darwin, refers ultimately and only to. 43. Physically dominant over other, it is not at all a Darwin's opinion. Darwin never agree with this physically dominant. Darwin explains fitness means reproductively fit. So it is not a physical, it is not a depend other, it is not inheritance of acquired characters also. Number of offsprings they produce, the organisms which can live up to the reproductive age, and the organisms which can give the great offsprings, which can send their characters to the next generation. Okay, they are reproductively fit, and they are only the fittest of the survival of the fittest. Come to the 44. Yes, Chinnu, unbeatable instant. Yeah, some Jekyll, Kasipai, right? Kasipai, Jakala. Welcome, Kasipai, Jakala. It becomes more difficult to pronounce this first Kasipai. Unbeatable insane. Kasipai Jakala, welcome. Come to the 44. The right answer is yes, let me check. The idea not related to the Darwinian theory of evolution is not related to the Darwinian of evolution. Survival of the fittest is completely related to the Darwin theory. Struggle for existence is also related to the Darwin theory. Inheritance of acquired characters. It is not related to the Darwin theory. He didn't explain this inheritance, genetics, and anything. Origin of species by natural selection is also Darwin theory. 44-3, Rupa Mahesh, very good. And Gyaneshwari is superb. Because the Darwin theory is broadly like few organisms are there in one particular time. Due to the increase in the number, there is a struggle related to the food and struggle with the environment, struggle with the other species for the same food, struggle within the same species for the mate. Okay, so in the struggle, the organisms which overcome the struggle and which isolate and which can survive, that is only the survival of the fittest. Because of which characters it survives, that characters are automatically transferred to the next generation. Like that, the changes are gradual and a small and a directional. This is the natural selection. The nature selects that species and as like that on one particular day after so many million years later it becomes a new species that is completely isolated from the old populations. Yeah, come to the 46th question. Lamar give the example of, yes, who says the right answer? Yeah, Kashpai Chakla, right, and Ganeshwari, right. And before all these, unbeatable instant give the right answer. That is placental mammals to explain his theory. Sorry, giraffe, not the placental mammals. 45. You give the four option, but the right answer is 46 1. Lamar give the example like giraffe necks are very small once upon a time, but gradually to eat the leaves, they increase their neck. Giraffes and snakes once upon a time they have the legs. Snakes have the legs, but later to escape from the eagles, to enter into the any holes, they're going to lose their legs gradually. So use and disuse theory, Lamarck given by use and disuse theory gives by the Lamarck, and giraffe is the example. If there is a snake, you can select the snake also. Placental mammals, marsupials, finches, all these are Darwin related things. 46th, the right answer is yes, 46th is 4. The factor affect Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium is genetic drift to gene migration mutation, correct. Come to the 47th question. Genetic drift operates small isolated population, an unbeatable instant, very good. And Jnaneshwari, Chinnu, you all give the right answers for all the questions. Excellent. Feeling very happy. And now the 48th question. Yes, saltation means. Saltation means what? Yes, very good, Chandrika. Jnaneshwari. Single step large mutations are called saltations. And when some ask about the saltations to the Darwin, Darwin says about the small gradual change. When some other scientists ask the Darwin about what is about the saltation, and Darwin says it is the sports of the nature. Nature plays sports. Okay. Now come to the 49th question. Yes, 49th. If nature selects both of the peripheral traits of the characters, natural selection three types, directional and disruptive and stable selection. If nature selects both the peripheral traits like this of the characters, then which kind of natural selection be operating? Actually, it is a population and it is going to select the both the ends. So the middle one is not going to select. So this type of selection is called what? That is the question. The right answer is disruptive. And everybody gives the answer as directional. Directional means only one end. If it is the population and this end is selected, That population is moving on like this, and the old one is going to arise. This is called directional, in one direction. Clear? If both peripheral ends are selected and the middle one is eliminated, this is called what? Disruptive. Two different species are formed. Okay. And Darwin theory is look like, the Darwin explanation is look like the gradual and directional selection. It is similar to the Darwin theory. Come to here, this disruptive selection is similar to the Hugo de Vries mutation theory. One species is differentiated into the two different species on the same day, like that. Okay, it look like that. And if in the same population both the ends are not selected, only the mean value is going to select. Mean value is going to select. This is called stabilizing selection. Ends are not selected. Next, come to the, yes, Rupa Mahesh, and thank you, Chimu and Janeshwari. Come to the last question. Last but not least, and most favorite question for all our subscribers. The students who are giving the answer for this question, they will definitely get the good marks as per our YouTube tradition. Yes, the last question, lucky question. Chandrika says both are true. Let me check whether it is correct or not. Both mule and hinny are sterile. Correct. These are the example of hybrid sterility. Okay, examples of hybrid sterility only. But because of the hybrid sterility, they are become mules. To become an example for hybrid sterility, mule and hinny become a sterile. No, because of their sterility we can give them as a example for hybrid sterility. Okay, so it is not at all a correct reason for the assertion. Okay, they are not wantedly become sterile to become a example for the hybrid sterility. Yes, Chinnu, right? So the right answer is 2. Both assertion and reason are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. So this is about today's session. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and all the best for your preparation. We will meet tomorrow with the molecular basis of inheritance. The next topic is molecular basis of inheritance. Tomorrow at 7 o'clock we will meet. Thank you and all the best.